I've been testing and trying out new Amazon items for the past 2 months, and these are the 25 items that made the cut. In fact, many of them I wish I would have bought sooner, like number 3 and number 14. Now, everything's going to be linked in the description of this video, but if that's a little bit difficult for you to find, I'm going to pin it up to the top of the comments, but drop me a comment if you have any trouble finding anything. Today, we're going to cover some tech stuff, some flight items, luggage and travel gear. I always love talking about that stuff. Fashion for women, and even a couple of men's clothing items. I've also got some toiletry items, and at the end, I'm going to share one big old fail. This item just didn't work out that great for me, and I'm going to tell you why. Let's get started with our tech stuff. Number 1 is this new USB charging solution that my husband bought. It's like a giant hub with cables. Now, I know this looks like total overkill for most cruisers and for travel, but hear me out. If you're a heavy user or you travel with a big family, having 10 ports in here really helps out. You can get your Apple Watches in there, charge your cameras, charge your phones, and this is something that we felt that we really needed after our last cruise. Number 2, my husband is digging on this Kindle Scribe, you guys. We bought this over the Prime Day period, and my husband loves the big display, and you can also do things like draw on it, brainstorm on it. There is so much you can do with it. If you're a Kindle reader and you just want a bigger display, like for a flight or something like that, you're gonna love this thing. I know it's a little bit of a splurge, but it's awesome to have. Number 3, these headphones are so true to their name, you guys. They're called the Bose Quiet Comfort, and they are amazing if you're going on a really long flight. They're super soft up against your head. They have great battery life. The case on them is kind of boring. I don't think it's very attractive, but who cares, right? It's space efficient. Now, my husband has been totally blown away by the noise cancellation on this thing. If you've got a crying baby next to you on an airplane, these are the headphones that you want. I just love them because they're softer up against my head and my ears. Sometimes headphones make my ears and my head kind of sore or hot, and these are just the ultimate. And of course, they're Bose sound. What could be better than that? Number 4, the super slim charger for USB-C phones and devices is so light and small. You guys, this thing fits in my pocket and it's perfect for flights. It attaches magnetically to the back of your phone, but it doesn't charge through the magnet. It's just to hold it on there. And I think this is really nice if you're looking for a lightweight, petite charger to just throw in your travel bag, throw in your purse, or throw in your pocket. This adjustable phone stand is something that I only used to use in my home office, but I had an idea, and that was to take it on a flight with me not too long ago. And now I fly with it all the time. It folds down into a very flat little stack. You can just slide it on into your flight bag, and it is excellent for adjusting when you want to watch your recorded shows on a flight. Now, if you ever get stuck in one of those airplane seats where they do not have any place for you to mount a device in front of you, like for example, there's no device holder, there's nowhere you could clamp anything, and maybe you have to pull your tray table out of the armrest, these are absolutely perfect for that. Let's move on to some luggage and travel essentials. This next item is a faux leather laptop backpack that I picked up not too long ago. It runs more on the medium size for personal items, and I think it's really pretty. It's great for guys and gals. It has a nice little laptop space in it, and I am really looking forward to trying this thing out on a flight. I've used it a little bit in my studio and showed it off in my Amazon lives, and I think it's really nice. Next, this top open backpack is made of a totally different type of fabric than the one I just showed you. It's more of like a canvas fabric. It opens entirely from the top and it kind of looks like a whale shark on the top. You can get a lot into this thing. What you need to be careful though of is that there's this front pocket on it where you can put a lot of items. If you're flying with this particular bag and you try to slide it under the seat in front of you, you don't want to overfill that front pouch or it could get stuck. I had that experience and had to kind of shuffle things around in the bag. But of course you could put it in the overhead compartment. It would be really nice as your first day item for a cruise as well, like that embarkation day bag. Number 9 I featured in a previous video, and these are so good I have to feature them again. These are the Brewmate straw cups that do not leak. You can literally turn them upside down and no water will come out, but yet you have the convenience of a straw cup. Highly recommend, cannot say enough good things about them. The only thing I would say is don't buy one that's too big that will discourage you from traveling with it. I really like the 30 ounce versus the 40 ounce size-wise. Number 10 is this suede purse that I got a couple months ago. It's really slouchy and pretty, has kind of a boho style. You can just toss things into it. This would also be a great bag if you're cruising to Alaska or maybe Canada and New England. Maybe you're going on a fall cruise and you want something that pairs nicely with your fall clothing. It's really pretty. Now, talking about total opposites with purses, this bright floral purse from Vera Bradley caught my eye on Amazon. The strap is a really bold purple. It's actually a little too bold for me, but I still love it. I'm still trying to find the perfect outfit to pair this with, but I think it would look really cute with like a pair of white jean shorts or just regular jean shorts and a plain colored top. Or if you're really bold with patterns, you could mix it. Some more fashion things that I picked up over the last few months for men and women. Let's start with these Skechers sneakers. I have a very long flight coming up. We're talking 13 hours, and I was looking for the most comfortable sneaker I could find, and I wanted it to be pure white. So I got these Skechers sneakers. They're terrific for long haul flights, and they are, wait for it, you guys, they're machine washable. How cool is that? Now, I'll be packing some sneaker cleaners that I'm also going to link to right next to those down in the comments in the description of this video to keep them nice and white, but I cannot wait to travel with them. I also got some slipper sandals. These are interesting. One thing I noticed is my feet were getting really hot during the summertime. I'm actually planning on taking these with me on a cruise as well, where it's expected to be very hot so that my feet don't get overheated, but I have a little protection. I love the sole on these. They're really nice. They're travel friendly. They fit in your suitcase just fine, and they run true to size. Number 14, I have invested in some arch support flip-flops. I feel like I'm going down that road in life where I need orthopedic shoes. Ugh. I can't really wear like the tall flip-flops I used to wear that had that big old wedge. I found that my ankle slips out of them. So I got these with a slight wedge. They are budget friendly. They had no wear-in period for me, no blisters, no rubbing, no nothing. And I absolutely love them. They're so comfortable. If you're planning a beach day soon or you just need to protect your face from the sun, this foldable sun hat is fantastic. It's really easy to pack. You just roll it up like a little cone and pop it right in your suitcase, and when you get to your destination, you can take it right out. Number 16 is this new floral blouse. I bought it in 2 colors and I'm wearing it in a medium. The first color that I bought was the brown and I kept reaching for it, wearing it over and over and over again. So I got it in pink and I think it is so pretty. I would go ahead and size up, ladies, if you get this one, because it has a little bit of a seam across the chest that can make it a little bit tighter, but only size up a teeny tiny bit. Just if you are more comfortable in one size up, get that one. I love this thing and it washes well, no ironing or steaming required. I gentle wash it and hang it to dry and it is absolutely fine. Now for the guys, I have 2 items. These wrinkle-free dress shirts from Amazon are amazing for a cruise. They have a slightly slim fit, but nothing to be concerned about. The slim fit just is kind of flattering on the arms, the chest, and the belly for the guys. If you're worried about that slim fit, you could size up one. My husband has 2 of them and he absolutely loves them. With winter coming, this corduroy blazer is kind of bold and different for a cruise, but if you need a warm option for a cold weather cruise, like late season Alaska, Europe, maybe after October, November, right? Or maybe even a little Canada, New England cruise, this is such a handsome look for guys. You could pair it with jeans, dress pants, whatever you want. Moving on to Toiletries Beauty, this toothbrush sanitizer is amazing. I know my husband's gonna steal it from me, so I am going to have to get some for the whole family, but it does exactly what it says. It sanitizes your toothbrushes and is really easy to use. Number 19, this pocket-sized mirror is one that I used to have that required a battery. Now they make it in a rechargeable version. It's teeny tiny, takes up no space in my makeup bag, and I absolutely love it. Number 20, I did not even know existed until Amazon's little suggested items suggested this underarm scrub to me. And I thought, what the heck is this? Well, it turns out this stuff maximizes the efficiency of your deodorant. It's kind of like a minty, beady mouthwash for your underarms. You scrub while you're in the shower and then you apply your deodorant afterward, and it helps your deodorant to last longer. It's really great and it's very nice for warm weather destinations and also for teenagers. Number 21, this shampoo bar and conditioner set is one of my favorite new travel hacks if you have to travel with limited liquids. It is so, so good. It's very effective, and you can find any formulation you need. I'm using the blonde purple toning variety. Number 22, there's a case for these shampoo bars. It is so handy. Trust me, you want to grab one of these so it doesn't get all goopy. You don't want to just pop them in a Ziploc bag. It's better to have a case. I also got a new soap dish for my soap. I love the little insert that you can use to put it as a soap dish when you get to your destination. You can like take it out of the case and set it on the countertop or in the shower to keep it from getting sticky. Number 24, this drugstore brand Glimmer Gloss in a color called Hot Honey adds a bit of color to your lips and keeps them from drying out. This is good for flights and really fun for a cruise. And also, I got another drugstore brand of a minty, ultra minty gloss that is from CoverGirl, and it makes your breath feel super fresh, like you just used mouthwash or chewed some gum. And it's just nice to keep in your handbag. And lastly, number 25, you guys, Laneige, the makers of that lip sleeping mask, they made a new product called Glaze Craze. Glaze Craze is like the glowy balm, but with color in it. And I got the strawberry one. It's amazing. They have all kinds of different scents that taste delicious, and they look really nice on your lips. Let's talk about that fail I mentioned earlier. I got a new suitcase that looks really cute, and I gave it a try on my recent trip to California paired with the backpack that I raved about earlier. Now, this suitcase is actually just fine for shorter trips if you do not plan on letting it get packed very heavy. But the moment you pack too much stuff in it, it falls forward. I was really struggling with this thing in the airport, which is a huge bummer. The moment I lightened the load in it and transferred a packing cube to another suitcase, it was absolutely fine. But if you do buy it, do not overpack it. I hope you guys enjoyed this Amazon haul. Let me know what you'd like me to feature in our next Amazon haul, and check out all the links below, and give us a quick like or subscribe if you're new. Until next time, we'll see you on the high seas. Bye-bye.